Look, Grandpa, secret door.
Oh my, it is open again.
We are here! Hello, Grandpa. We missed you.
Welcome to the village, children.
Your house is very big, Grandpa.
Do you want a tour of the farm?
Yes, please. I love animals. What is this? It looks old and dirty.
Mia, look! This isn't just any map.
It's alive. The lines are moving. We have to follow them.
First, let us see the chickens.
I hear them. Cluck, cluck. One, two, three yellow chicks.
Yes, and one white mother hen.
Are there any eggs, Grandpa?
Let us look inside the nest.
I found one. It is brown and small. Can I hold it, please?
Wait, what is that shiny thing?
Be careful, Leo. The egg is moving. It is rolling away. Catch it. It is too fast.
Do not run too fast, children!
We have to catch it. Almost got it. The egg stopped here. What does she eat? She eats green grass and drinks water. She eats grass. The map says we must go to the big red barn. Let's go! I love the barn!
Shh! Listen. What is that sound?
It's I.
Do not be afraid. It is very dark inside.
I cannot see anything.
Hold my hand. We'll stay together. It is just Barnaby, my old horse.
Why is he sad, Grandpa?
He's just a little tired, Leo. He is thirsty. His bucket is empty.
I will get some water for him. Here is a sweet red apple, Barnaby. He's happy now. Look, Barnaby is pointing outside.
He wants to show you something.
The map shows that forest.
But it is so dark and scary in there.
Stay close to me, children.
The trees are very tall here. Look at that little animal.
That is a squirrel. It likes to jump.
This flower is beautiful. It is purple. It smells very sweet. Yes, it smells so sweet. We are going the right way. I am tired. Are we there yet? Ouch! Why did we stop?
Look down at the mud, children.
That is a giant footprint. What kind of monster lives here?
There are no monsters. It is just a big bear track.
A bear! Wow! Let's keep walking. Sunlight! And look at all the trees!
This is my apple orchard.
It is delicious. I want one too, please.
Look at that beautiful blue bird.
It is looking at my map. Time for my apple. Oh no! The bluebird has our map! Come back here, little bird! Run, Leo! We need that map! My legs are too short! Faster! It's getting away! I'm trying! Whoa! Shh! I will catch it.
Walk very slowly, Mia.
I'm being very slow. Tweet! Ah! I missed! The bird is playing a game with us.
Are you hurt, Mia?
No, I am fine. Let's go!
A big wall. We cannot pass.
Where did the bird go? The bird went over this big stone wall! How do we get in now?
Let us walk along the wall. Look for a door.
I only see gray stones and green leaves.
Keep looking, children. It's here somewhere.
I found it! I found a door! It is the secret door from this morning. It is locked. I cannot open it. Let me try. I am strong. It will not move.
Maybe we need a key.
Look at this picture on the door.
It looks like the blue bird.
It is glowing. The secret door, it is opening by itself.
Welcome to the secret garden.
It is the most beautiful place in the world. Look at the water. It is sparkling.
Everything here is magical.
Here is our map. But where's the blue bird? Hello again, little bird. You came back.
I think it wants to say thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. It is too bright. What is happening to the bird? Wow. The bird is changing. It is a fairy. You are very beautiful. Can you speak?
Fairies speak with their hearts, Mia.
Is this a gift for us?
Yes, it is a magic seed.
It feels very warm in my hand. What should we do with it?
We must plant it in the earth.
I like digging in the dirt. The hole is deep enough now. Put the seed inside carefully.
The seed is glowing a lot. And the ground is shaking. Step back.
Cover up dirt, needs to sleep. Good night, little Maxie.
Now it needs some fresh water to grow.
Very good, Mia. Water is life.
Is it going to grow?
We must be patient, Leo. Wait and see.
Look, a tiny leaf. It is made of green crystal.
It is growing so fast!
It is a magic tree of life.
It is the biggest tree I have ever seen! And it is so bright!
If you love nature, it gives you beautiful magic.
I will always love nature, Grandpa.
The sun is going down. It is time to go home.
Goodbye, magic tree!
Thank you for the map, little fairy. You're welcome, Mia.
Goodbye! I am very sleepy now.
We will eat dinner and go to bed.
Today was a wonderful adventure, Grandpa.
Tomorrow, we will learn more new words. Thank you for learning with us today.
Subscribe and follow Learn English Method!